They're building an HEB off of I-20, and so we're filming the progress. So they have detailed photos of the construction site as they build and as they make progress on the site.
So as the drone goes along its path, it's taking a picture down, left, and right, and then it'll move up to where it's just out of frame and do the same thing and repeat that.
And then you monitor it, make sure everything's going okay, and then take the footage from there and process it to give it back to the construction company.
So this is the software Pix4D. It makes what's called an orthomosaic. Each pixel in an image is about 1 centimeter, and it can produce an ultra high resolution, big picture.
Your students are flying a drone that is capable of a lot of features. They can map out land masses, they can measure volume, they can measure length and distances. There's a lot this drone can do, and career-wise, it could be potentially very important. If I ever need measurements of a trench, I can quickly go to the program. I can figure out how long this trench is, how long a ditch is, about how many yards of dirt I'm gonna need to fill that trench.
I got my Part 107 around this time my sophomore year. The Part 107 certification allows you, through the FAA, to make profit off of your drone capabilities. So whether that's shooting video or mapping, you can legally make money through it. You learn the things you need to pass your test all through the school, and then you can take that knowledge to a real world application of that knowledge, and it helps you just boost that beyond your high school career.
The real world experiences definitely help set you up for future experience. It makes you more professional, more capable.
This program, we're using the drone and actually having real world job experience, is something that I only know of happening in this school, and it's really special that this opportunity is afforded to us, and that for no extra cost we can get this real world experience using the drone and going to these sites, and it's just really special that's happening here.
When I was in high school, I graduated in 2020. Drones were just a tiny piece. I couldn't even imagine a high school that would have a drone program for creating future drone operators. It's really important that kids can learn capabilities of technology, how to access that, how to have good experience in that. It'll create a whole different industry on what our future generation can do.
I'm definitely proud of it. It's very cool that I'm trusted to go do this, but also that I took the time to get the license to go do this.
I'm really looking forward to seeing more and more young drone operators really take drones by the horn and see what capabilities, they can achieve with that.
To be all in Aledo means that I take what I learn here and I pour it back into my community. That has helped build me, and really just take the applications that I create here at Aledo High School and take it back and pour it back into the community.